Hello, kids. For word study on Friday, October 23rd, we are going to be studying the short U versus long U sound. So this one's a little bit trickier because the long U has two sounds. We've got short U as and long U is oo or you. So that here we've got a glue is long U and a cup is the short sound. So we've got all these pictures to sort. By now you probably have caught on to the drill. You're going to identify which ones have the short U sound, and which ones have the long U sound, oo or you, and then you're going to glue them into their categories on page 15. So all of the words that have the short U, go into this column here under the cup, and all the words that have the long U, oo or you, go into this category here, and any word that, or any picture that when you name it doesn't have either of those sounds belongs in the oddball category. And once you finish that, that sorting, the last thing you do is you write two short U words on the lines and two long U words on the lines and draw pictures of those words. And you're all done with your word study for Friday, October 23rd. Now, the pictures that you have to place are these pictures here. So it looks like this first picture is a tube, and then you've got a rug, and then a suit, nut, spoon. This looks like a mule, tub, bug, moon, truck, shoe, plug, cake, sun, drum, fruit, trunk, and flute. So for each one of those pictures, you decide if it's a short U, or long U, oo or you, and place it into its proper category on this page. Good luck, have fun, do your best. I'll see you later.